continue!
Whoa!
Head for those mountains!
I thought we were going to the Woodland Mansion.
Hank, don't talk back to your host.
But...
Bye-bye. Those things work, right? Absolutely.
Check it out! I'm flying!
Just want to see you later. I thought I grabbed 3! Wait for me! Coming in hot! No way, dude! Let go of my hair! Just relax. Let my hips guide you. It's the only way! What? Hey! We'll have a better chance if we split up! What? I got you, buddy! They got us boxed in! Head for the tunnel! We're not gonna fit! We're too chunky! We're gonna have to go nose to toes. Full man sandwich! What? No, I'm not gonna do that! I'm ordering you to make a full man sandwich! Okay! Dang it! A lava bucket! Okay! Tighten up! What? There's still some negative space back there! We both know it! I'm trying to close the gap! Okay! Now get ready! I'm gonna squeeze for your safety! I understand! This water bucket!